Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried to make content online, whether it's a YouTube video, podcast, reel, or ad, you've probably run into the same problem I have. Music. You want something that sounds professional, fits your vibe, and actually adds value to your content. But let's be real, finding the right music is either too expensive, too generic, or too time-consuming. Sound familiar? I've spent hours scrolling through royalty-free music libraries, only to hear the same tracks used in a dozen other videos. It gets repetitive fast, and while those tracks are copyright-free, they're also lifeless. They don't excite your audience, and they certainly don't help your brand stand out. On the flip side, making your own music sounds great in theory, but in practice, it's a whole different story. You need gear, skills, time, and in most cases, money. Not everyone has that. That's why when I came across MusicHero AI, I knew I had to give it a try. And wow, this platform is a game changer. It's an AI-powered music studio that creates full songs, complete with lyrics, vocals, and even album covers. All of it, with just a few clicks. No musical background needed, no complicated software, and no budget-breaking prices. What I love about MusicHero AI is how easy it is to use. You start by typing in a keyword or choosing a music style, mood, and tempo. Whether you want something upbeat and energetic for a promo video or something mellow and emotional for a podcast intro, you just tell the AI what you're going for. Then, the system creates original music from scratch. I'm talking full instrumental tracks, with structure, rhythm, and even harmonies. But it doesn't stop there. The AI also writes lyrics that match the theme, and adds vocals using realistic AI voices. And honestly, the vocals sound surprisingly natural, not robotic or flat like some other tools out there. You can choose male or female vocals, adjust the tone, and even tweak the lyrics if you want to personalize it further. As if that weren't enough, MusicHero AI also designs a professional-looking album cover to go along with your track. You can customize the artwork or let the AI handle it completely. This is perfect if you want to post your music on platforms, sell it, or just make your content look more polished. One of the things that really impressed me is that every time you use the tool, it generates a brand new, unique track. Even if you use the same settings again, the AI will create a different result. No two songs are the same, which means your content stays original and fresh. That's a huge plus, especially in today's crowded digital space where standing out is everything. You also get access to built-in tools like a video editor and audio editor. That means you can tweak your content directly inside the platform. No need to switch between apps or export files back and forth. Just drag, drop, cut, and you're good to go. Everything's cloud-based, so you can use it on any device, anywhere. The platform is clearly designed for creators, marketers, and freelancers. It even comes with a ready-to-use music store, packed with thousands of tracks you can sell or offer to clients. If you're on Fiverr or Upwork, this could be a whole new revenue stream. Imagine offering custom music creation with vocals and cover art in just a few minutes. That's the kind of service people are paying big money for. And yes, the music you create is completely royalty-free. That means you can use it for business, client work, YouTube monetization, social media, whatever you want, without worrying about copyright strikes or licensing issues. I've tested out a few different AI music tools before, but this one is easily the most complete. The interface is clean, the results are professional, and the fact that you get lyrics, vocals, and album art in one go is just next level. You don't need any special equipment, and the learning curve is pretty much zero. If you can type in a few words and click a button, you're set. MusicHero AI really lives up to its name. It's not just a music generator, it's a full creative toolkit. Whether you're a solo creator, a business owner, or just someone who wants great music without all the hassle, this tool gives you everything you need to produce and publish high-quality songs with ease. If you're tired of using the same old music in your projects, or you want something that actually sounds original and professional, definitely check this out. It's been a huge upgrade for my content, and I think you're going to love it too. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more reviews and content tips. See you in the next one.